All right, so it's about 6 days in since the original project started, and I wanted to do a quick video update to see how things are going, progress it documented as well as time goes to see what's happening, what's working, what's not working, etc. And let's open up the light here, and we can see there's a very good amount of condensation all over the box on the inside over here. Let's look at things from the side view as well. There seems to be plenty of condensation all over the place in there, so this is excellent news. I did actually open this up and added some other cuttings in there as well because I wanted to add some more stuff. I felt like if I'm going to be experimenting with this, let's just do it all the way rather than a handful. Obviously, not everything is in there 100%, like all the things that I want to root, but this obviously is an experiment. So let's open it up and see how things are looking inside. Whoa, 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 what is that? What is that? What is that? Huh, there's something in here that grew. Obviously, this is not a cutting. This is something else that germinated, some random riffraff. Yeah, it's not from the cutting. It did not root. The cutting did not root, but it's something else that germinated from the soil in here, the medium. I thought I had microwaved it enough, but clearly not enough. But obviously, you can see that it supported enough growth. The heat and condensation actually germinated whatever was in there. Let's pull the rest of it out as well. And yes, I did put some pomegranates and some other stuff in here as well. And you can see that some of the tips actually have gone nice and green on these ones. And that one too, but this one is still greenish a little bit. But as expected, no significant changes or anything like that. It's too early at the moment. Right now, it's maybe at least 3 to 6 weeks, not 3 to 6, like 4 to 6 weeks maybe, and then we should see some results hopefully by then. But that's it for now.